Both weapons coming up to top speed. Oh, there goes the Minibots! Ah! That drum spinner sure has some force, Kenny. He turns to face son of Whyachi. He needs to line himself up perfectly. Oh! He just got thrown halfway across the BattleBot. What a hit from Poison Arrow, and he's not finished yet, Kenny. Poison Arrow gets it another shot. Go, you gotta show me some movement. Son of Whyachi's not moving.
Oh my goodness!
Poison Arrow looks like he wants some more. Son of Whyachi's on the ropes. Oh! Has he got no respect, Kenny?
10, 9,
Son of Whyachi's getting counted out.
7, this is gonna be a huge upset for Poison Arrow.
3, 2,
Wow.
1. We're done. Knockout.
That is a shocker. As the 27th seed, Zach Bob, you can celebrate. You just knocked out the 16th son of Whyachi.
Unbelievable.
Son of Whyachi! Let the bot battle begin, and there go the Minibots. Obviously, Warrior Clan has a huge battle. Whoa! Look at the explosion on that one as Nightmare takes a chunk out of Warrior Clan and then pops himself backward. Oh, the spark illuminating the BattleBox skyline is on fire!
Are you kidding me?
One of the Minibots has been sacrificed. The other one is down for the count as well. No! Nightmare gets flipped. Can it right itself? It's trying its best. Warrior Clan. What is it trying to do? Is it trying to jam Nightmare in that vertical spinner, Kenny?
Nightmare's what a hit!
Just over a minute into this fight and already superior action. And look at Nightmare throwing itself on the screws. I think it's trying to flip itself over, Kenny.
Yeah, Nightmare is trying so hard to right itself.
There we go. There we go.
Well, now it's in the pulverizer. It's just spinning its wheel. This one might be counted out, but now he gets out of the pulverizer, and Nightmare continues to try and get itself back on its wheel.
No idea where he's going.
Whoa! And it ends up out on the rails. That might be it, Kenny.
Yeah, this fight's over.
3, 2, 1. We're done.
And that is it. Let the bot battle begin, and Bronco on the attack already. Oh, and there's that huge flip, that pneumatic flipper that can get you nearly 14 feet in the air, but it looks like Bronco might be stuck in their flames. There is fire inside the BattleBot. Look at this.
The little bot is doing a great job here against that powerhouse Bronco.
Oh, and Bronco just throws Witch Doctor up on the rails. The little bot is still doing its job, and you can feel the heat almost through this bulletproof glass.
The Minibot is still moving, but it doesn't matter. It's about the main bot.
10.
And it's facing a countdown. If it doesn't get off the rails, it's going to be a TKO.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're all over.
And it is. Let the bot battle begin. Both weapons coming up to top speed. Oh, there goes the Minibots. Ah! That drum spinner sure has some force, Kenny. He turns to face son of Whyachi. He needs to line himself up perfectly. Oh! He just got thrown halfway across the BattleBot. What a hit from Poison Arrow, and he's not finished yet, Kenny. Poison Arrow gets it another shot. Go, you gotta show me some movement. Son of Whyachi's not moving.
Oh my goodness!
Poison Arrow looks like he wants some more. Son of Whyachi's on the ropes. Oh! Has he got no respect, Kenny?
10, 9,
Son of Whyachi's getting counted out.
This is gonna be a huge upset for Poison Arrow.
3, 2,
Wow.
1. We're done. Knockout.
That is a shocker. We are off. Let the bot battle comes Ghost Raptor on the attack. Oh, it takes one of the Minibots out. That thing is on fire. And now Warrior Clan's into the wall. The Minibot trying to get caught under Ghost Raptor, and Ghost Raptor just hurdles it no problem. That spinner of Warrior Clan's up to top speed, but Chuck's driving and reinforced armor is actually minimizing the damage Ghost Raptor's taking.
See the main bot for Warrior Clan now trying to get underneath, trying to get the backside of Ghost Raptor here. And there he's gonna get in position almost.
Right there, Overdrive.
It looks like the main bot for Warrior Clan has stopped spinning, and that's what powers the flipper. If he can't get going, he's gonna be a sitting duck in there.
Ghost Raptor trying to get Warrior Clan into that blue area so that that pulverizer can work. But it looks like Ghost Raptor doesn't have any push.
Yeah, Warrior Clan's trying to get in a position to flip Ghost Raptor. I'm not sure he has the power here.
Warrior Clan's in survival mode here, trying to keep Ghost Raptor at bay. It's like he can't do anything offensively, Kenny.
It seems like there's no kinetic energy left in Warrior Clan to get that flipper going. It gets its kinetic energy from spinning, and we haven't seen it spinning in a while. And that is pretty much useless as a flipper now.
This handle makes him a great fight, Kenny, but mechanical problems may be giving Chuck Pincer a walk into the quarterfinals.
Ghost Raptor is in a good position here to win this fight.
It seems like Warrior Clan is hopeless at this point, can't do anything to hurt Ghost Raptor.
Now it's starting to attack the main bot of Warrior Clan.
Warrior Clan now under Ghost Raptor. What can he do with it? Nothing.
You see the smoke coming out of the main bot there.
Looks like this battle will be over soon, Kenny. And Chuck Pincer picks up a Minibot and oh! Ghost Raptor taking it to Warrior Clan, who's barely moving at this point, and he gets rammed into the rails.
10.
And the referee is doing a countdown, so he's facing perhaps a knockout. And the end of Warrior Clan and Terry Ewart's career in the BattleBots. It's over.
We're all dead. We're all dead.
That is indeed. Let the bot battle begin. Hypershock out of the gates in a hurry. Going right after Poison Arrow and flips him over now. Massive impact. It gets pulverized already. Right out of the gate. Poison Arrow still reeling from that shot, trying to catch a breath.
And right now that disc spinner of Hypershock is not active. Might have been damaged in that collision.
Oh!
We'll have to keep an eye out to see if Will can get it running again, but right now, no movement.
Poison Arrow dug in, looking for a chance to get their spinner going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What's he counting?
His spin out time.
That spinner is at full force. Very dangerous now.
Poison Arrow just misses. Hypershock coming right back.
Oh!
Now pushing Poison Arrow into the corner.
Uh-oh!
Oh!
Huge hit!
Whoa! That drum landing hard shots to the top of Hypershock. Both bots look stunned.
Oh, man!
Now some movement. Hypershock still without a functioning weapon. Doing a great job of controlling things with that wedge.
I'm really impressed with the durability of that drum spinner of Poison Arrow. Hypershock is definitely taking some damage in those big exchanges.
But Will Bale staying aggressive, pulling Poison Arrow into the rails again. Just crunching that robot off.
Oh, now smoke leaking from the frame of Hypershock. And now it's having trouble with the drive motor.
They were drivetrains dying.
Will Bales and Hypershock have dominated the first 2 minutes, but they can't move. This is starting to look eerily familiar to Hypershock's exit from last year's tourney. It's their fight to lose, but they got a right to shift.
Poison Arrow counting that drum spinner back up to full speed.
10. Hit him.
Oh, and there's a big hit from Poison Arrow to the backside of Hypershock. Will Bales in serious trouble if he can't get moving. Oh! Poison Arrow pops Hypershock into the air and bounces him off the rails.
Hypershock, I need to see movement.
If you're Poison Arrow, do you just back off and let a count happen against Hypershock? I guess not. Poison Arrow pouring it on here late in the round.
10, 9.
The countdown has started. Somebody throwing the towel.
No mercy for Poison Arrow. He popped Hypershock's tire clean off. teams circling. Warhawk gets underneath Black Dragon, but that weapon isn't firing.
Something's wrong with Warhawk, Chris.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there's a nice shot from Black Dragon.
Huge one.
Whoa!
Whoa! No! Warhawk is already up on the rails. And let's remember, that is the main bot. Oh! Warstock just got decapitated. Oh! Come on, Black Dragon. Ye of little mercy. Wow! Warhawk is in real trouble here, Kenny.
Yeah, they are. They can't get out. Black Dragon doing a little dance right now.
The countdown is about to start. Warhawk is lodged up on the rails, and this is going to do it. We are going to have an all-Brazilian final in the Desperado tournament.
Let's go ahead and put it down.
Let the bot battle begin, and Shaman, the Minibot takes a serious shot early from Overdrive. Oh!
Look for Witch Doctor to attack, try to take out the tires.
Those are some big tires on Overdrive. Oh, it rammed right into the rail. Takes another shot into the rail.
The Witch Doctor's doing the right thing. Trying to attack those tires. Oh!
A huge hit. Oh, and another. Overdrive. But look at that. It can drive upside down. It's trying to flip itself back over.
Dad, get out of there.
Now it's caught on its side. Oh, it nails it. And here we go. Overdrive is back in motion.
A huge hit from Witch Doctor.
Dad, go!
Trying to get that flamethrower going. Oh, a huge hit.
There is shrapnel all over the BattleBots right now. And it looks like Christian in Overdrive has lost his ability to drive properly. And now it's on fire.
Overdrive is taking a beating. This is going to be over, Chris.
10, 9, 8,
They're going to call it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done.
That is it. Witch Doctor crushes the dreams of a 12-year-old little girl in Carissa. You can see the disappointment right there.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Let the bot battle begin. Texas Twister takes it a little wide out of the gate. Son of Whyachi's going to be up to speed. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, my goodness! Oh! Texas Twister almost gets thrown out of the arena, and somehow it works its way back.
Oh, Texas Twister already dealing with the back wheel. There goes a part of Texas Twister.
And another. Oh, the guts are coming out of the back, and the wheels are all over the place, and I think Texas Twister is finished.
2 knockout shots, I believe, and that was all it took.
From 10.
The countdown has started. Son of Whyachi will get their second win of the season, smacking Texas Twister back to the Lone Star State.
1. That is a knockout.
And if there was any doubt, let me tell you. Let the bot battle begin. And here comes Whiplash, hitting Texas Twister right in the face and flipping him over, too.
Whiplash all over him. Oh, massive hit by Whiplash.
Wow! And Whiplash right back on the attack, drives him into the screws. Texas Twister floundering and now on fire. This is going to be a huge problem.
Whiplash just taking it right to Texas Twister.
And I wonder if that drone's Pitfire has any water in it to drop on its big bot.
Weapon down.
Yeah, the weapon's down.
You heard Fuzzy right there. Texas Twister's weapon is down, and the door is now wide open for Whiplash. Oh! And Vasquez and Whiplash just bullying Texas Twister.
Yeah, Whiplash just relentless out there in the battle box.
Getting underneath Texas Twister at will. And now just flipping it back and forth. Now, the one interesting thing is there's no force being presented by the blade of Texas Twister, so you might not see those big pops in the air. But Whiplash is good enough with just holding him for a while and letting it go.
Whiplash trying to get him out of the battle box. They're stuck against the screws. There goes a piece of Fuzzy's bot.
Unbelievable. Let's see if Texas Twister has any mobility left. Can it work its way off the screws? That Whiplash was going after the drone. Spitfire. Look at him. He's trying to take it out. as the countdown is going on. Just jump up and get it, Matty V.
This looks like King Kong versus the airplanes here.
Knockout.
Let the bot battle begin. Whoa, P1 already lost.
That's a rear spoiler right there.
Okay.
That thing's gone.
That's gonna be a problem.
Oh!
Nice little flip by Subzero.
Sub-Zero wanted to flip. There's one. They're looking on a second.
And there's the second one.
Beautiful shot there by Sub-Zero.
P1 sure does look cool with those sparks flying out of the back, but so far no sign of that reverse flipper. Oh, swing and a miss there by Subzero, so it's 2 for 3 on flips if you're keeping stats at home. And if you're doing that, then you need some serious help. And there's another flip. Oh!
Beautiful shot there again by Sub-Zero. That's 3.
Oh, yeah. He's trying to get him out of the box. Oh, he's got him on the rails. Well, that reverse flipper works well as a self-righting mechanism, but can he be offensive with it? Oh, another huge flip, and P1 upside down again.
Sub-Zero hitting the flips that it wants. Hasn't been able to stop P1 yet, though.
Oh! Look at that move by Subzero, and somebody has got to tell. Ladies and gentlemen, playing the role of a pancake tonight will be P1 in your program. I mean, come on, let's go!
Uh-oh, and the Minibot trying to get involved. He's got the flame going. Oh! That's gonna be it! That is a field goal!
Unbelievable!
Counting it out from 10, 9, 8.
Oh, Sub-Zero goes for the
7.
Minibot! That one is safe! Oh! Wow! Wow!
Let the bot battle begin, and here comes Bombshell on the attack early. Those spinners are firing and looking to get up to full speed. Oh! There's a solid shot by Bombshell.
Poison Arrow needs to get going.
Now a little weapon-on-weapon action. That front wedge is going to be tough for Poison Arrow. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Bombshell flips him, spins him around. Oh! Poison Arrow slammed flat against the wall by that vertical spinner. Bombshell smacks him there, Kenny.
Poison Arrow not moving. Bombshell's hanging back, maybe waiting for a countdown here.
Are you kidding me? This could be it.
Gonna have movement here.
Is that possible?
The drone of Poison Arrow trying to get something going, but I think this is going to be a knockout here for Bombshell.
The countdown has started.